Hello everyone, this is Dr. Amit Lathigra. In this video, I am demonstrating you how to use Canvas in HTML5 page. Usually we are using Canvas to draw a graphics in HTML5 page. In this video, through Canvas, I'm going to draw a line, circle and rectangle. To begin with, let me put Canvas in my HTML5 page. To put a canvas, we can use canvas HTML5 tag. Let's give a unique ID. Say it is my canvas. Let's set its height and width. So let me keep a height 100 pixel and width 200 pixel. Let's put a border across. For that, let me use style. Border, I need 1 pixel thickness, solid style and black color. Let's send canvas tag. Let's check an output. So here I kept a canvas. Now what I want to do, I want to draw a line. To draw a line, I need a support of JavaScript. So let me use script tag. What I want to do, I want to get a reference of this canvas element in my variable named as my canvas. Reference, let's use document dot get element by ID. So ID of my HTML element is my canvas, and let's get its 2D context to get context method. Now what I want to do, through this my canvas variable, just I want to move a cursor to a particular XY position, and using line 2, I want to draw a line. So my canvas, to move within the canvas, I can use move to method. Let's go to 10 point in terms of height and width. Draw a line. Let's use line to attribute, and I want to end at 180 and 80 coordinates. Get its effect. Let's use method. Let's save. Let's check. So this is how we can draw a line. Now let's draw a circle. Can use arc method with several arguments like what is my x and y coordinates. So I want to do it from center point of my canvas. So let's keep say 150. Next, what I want to do, I want to specify a radius of the circle. I want 40 pixels radius. Then start angle, end angle. To draw an arc in terms of circle, the end angle is double of value of pi. And to get the value of pi, we can use math object and its pi attribute. To get stroke method remains as it is. Let's save. Let's check an output. Now what I want to do, I want to draw a rectangle. To draw a rectangle, what we require is rect method, starting point 10 in terms of x and y, and ending point in terms of x and y. That I want say 180 and 80. Stroke method remains as it is. To get it on screen, let's refresh my page, and this is what how. So through this canvas tag, in this video I've demonstrated how to draw a line, circle, and rectangle. I hope you enjoyed this video. For your any questions or queries, feel free to use the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day ahead.